Anasuya, the woman who outwitted the gods. What if I told you that one woman, through the sheer power of her purity, turned Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, the three most powerful gods, into helpless babies? Was it a miracle? A divine play? Or was it an act of ultimate defiance against the gods? Today, we uncover one of the most astonishing and untold stories from Indian mythology, the tale of Anasuya, the woman who outwitted the gods themselves. Stay with me till the end, because this story will change the way you think about devotion, power, and righteousness forever. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because you won't want to miss more mind-blowing mythological stories. Now, let's dive in. Long ago, deep within the mystical forests of India, lived Anasuya, the wife of Sage Atri. She wasn't just any woman, her purity, devotion, and unwavering loyalty were so powerful that she was said to be one of the most virtuous women to ever exist. People whispered that her spiritual power was so great that even the gods felt threatened. But not everyone admired her. When the three divine goddesses, Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati, heard about Anasuya's legendary virtue, they were skeptical. Was she really that pure? Could any woman possess such perfection? And so, curiosity turned into suspicion, and suspicion turned into a challenge. They turned to their divine husbands, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and made an unusual request. Test Anasuya. If she truly is the purest woman alive, let her prove it. One day, as Anasuya sat in meditation, she heard a knock on her door. Three wandering sages stood outside, weary from travel. "Oh Holy Mother, we are hungry. Please serve us food," they said. Anasuya, being the embodiment of hospitality, welcomed them warmly. But then came a shocking demand. "We will only accept your food if you serve us without wearing any clothes." Imagine being in Anasuya's place. What would you do? Would you refuse and risk disrespecting a guest? Or would you obey, risking your dignity and virtue? But Anasuya did something unbelievable. Instead of fear, Anasuya remained calm. She knew that a pure heart could never be tainted by deceit. She took a small bowl of sacred water, whispered an ancient mantra, and gently sprinkled it upon the sages. And in an instant, the three great gods transformed into babies. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, now helpless infants, crawled around the floor, wailing. Back in the heavens, the divine wives, Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati, felt something was terribly wrong. Where are our husbands? When they peered into the mortal realm, they were stunned. Their powerful consorts, now turned into crying infants, cradled in Anasuya's arms. Was this a miracle? Or had Anasuya just done the impossible, rendering the most powerful gods in existence completely powerless? The goddesses humbly approached Anasuya and pleaded, "O Divine Lady, please return our husbands to their true form. We accept your greatness." Anasuya, ever kind and compassionate, smiled. She restored the gods to their original forms, but not before securing a boon that would change history forever. She wished for the Divine Trinity to be born as her sons, and so, she gave birth to Dattatreya, an incarnation of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva combined. Chandra, associated with Brahma. Durvasa, an avatar of Shiva. So now, the big question. Was Anasuya's act an act of defiance, or divine play? Some say she outwitted the gods, proving that purity and righteousness are greater than even the might of deities. Others say it was all a grand celestial game, to test Anasuya's virtue and show the world the true power of devotion. What do you think? Was Anasuya a spiritual warrior who stood up to the gods? Or was this all part of the divine plan? If you loved this story, smash that like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more epic mythological tales from India's rich past. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that will leave you in awe.